In today's video, I show you even more CandyWrap mounting options. This CandyWrap bag was the reason I started this channel. I wanted to build a modular cycling bag which fits on any bike, no matter what the frame size is. I show you my recent progress of my CandyWrap mounting options. During the Easter holidays I redesigned my Surly Karate Monkey, and the CandyWrap bag were a big part of this. I show you what I mean. If you ever had the problem of overpacking your top tube bag and don't know how to close it, let me solve your problem. Here is a CandyWrap bag. Now let's fix this. Get your CandyWrap bag, unclip one end and clip it around the steering tube. Take the other end and clip it around the seat post. Now you have a cover for your top tube bag, which is, by the way, completely waterproof. Clip it like so. And to even secure it more, grab your bands. To compress the CandyWrap bag even more to your frame, you have to route the rubber straps through this thing, route it around the frame, route it on the other side, and cinch it tight. Like so. And same with the other part. Fiddle it through around the frame, like so. And route it through like this. Now you can compress the CandyWrap bag even more. Looks like this. Now you have enough space while pedaling, and your pedal strokes don't interfere with the bag. If you get hungry during riding, I also have an option. CandyWrap food pouches. So this is the food pouch option. Unroll the CandyWrap bag, roll up one end, like so, clip it around down tube, and pull it up. Grab the second CandyWrap bag and do the same. Clip it around the down tube. Take the upper ends, clip them together, and now you have a double food pouch. You can access it from either side. You have plenty enough of storage for food and drinks, and the cool thing is it's the same CandyWrap bag as the top tube. If you need to carry something real important on your bike, I also have an option for you. You just need a CandyWrap bag, you unclip it and lay it on the ground grab your important stuff, roll it inside, and you take the other end and roll it up so that there is tension while clipping together. Looks like this. And now we mount it. Mounting this is really easy. You just grab the two buckles and fiddle it through the arrow bars, like so. By the way, you could actually mount this log also on the rear. I'll show you how. You unclip the rear CandyWrap bag. By the way, this is a bit bigger one because I wanted to fit my whole sleeping system in it. But it's actually possible to mount your or to fit your sleeping system, a really tiny one, also in a regular CandyWrap bag. You grab your favorite log, unclip it, and you need to roll up the CandyWrap bag on one side and clip it around the frame or the seat tube, like this. Now you have a little pouch where you can fit your favorite log in it. You route the bands around, clip the tensioning strap together, pull it tight, roll up the excess CandyWrap bag, and now you have the option to carry your favorite log on your bike. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Stick around for the next CandyWrap update video and see you in the next one. Bye!